Hello everyone. In today's video I'll tell you guys how we can set up development environment before starting React development, and also how we can create a new React app with create React app command line tool. So let's get started. Before moving further, I would recommend you guys to download the following softwares. Visual Studio Code, you can download it from its official download page. I've also added these links in the description. Same goes with the Git and also for Node.js. So you can download all these from their official pages, and I've also added links to their download pages in the description. So once you have downloaded and installed everything, you got to restart your computer once. After you are done with it, then you can open Visual Studio Code like this, and here when you click on these icons, then you will see an option to open the terminal. Once you are in the terminal, then let me clear all this. So then you got to create a new React app by using the following commands. It's npx create React app, and then you got to tell the tool the name you want for your app. So here I'll just name it like test app. Now we'll have to wait for it to finish everything. So once it has completed the setup, now we got to run this app. And before getting into that, I'll tell you guys a couple of things. I have to tell you guys about a couple of things. First of all, I want you to replace your default terminal with the git bash, or the terminal which comes with the git which you installed previously. So you got to press Control Shift and P together, and there you have to type. It's showing me already, but you got to type terminal and colon, and then you got to say select default profile. So once you type that, it will show three options, and you will have to choose. You must choose git bash from here, and it will what it will do is that it will make git bash your default terminal. So when you create a new terminal window by clicking here, then it will automatically start git bash instead of the default Windows command prompt, which looks like this. Okay, so after you've done this, then I got to tell you guys about a couple more things, which are the typical commands that every web developer has to learn and to use in a terminal. So a couple of them are list command or ls, or directory command, that is cd. So how we use that and what they mean. So for example, we are currently in the directory work, and it is shown here. So if we want to see what folders we have in the work directory, then we will type in ls, which means list. So and then press enter. So it will list all the directories, all the folders and files that are in the work directory or in work folder. So here if I have to go to the test app folder, which we just created by creating a new app, so I'll just type in cd. Cd means we want to move into that directory, and then I'll type // and the name of the folder I want to get into, and then press enter. So now you can see here we are in the test app folder. Let me clear everything. So to clear everything in the terminal, the command we use is clear. See, it's really easy. And if we want to move a step back in the previous directory, then we just simply have to type in cd .. It means that we are moving one step back. So now we can, as you can see, previously we were in the test app directory, and now we are in the work directory. And if I want to move in back to the test app directory, I'll just simply type cd .. test app. So after we have done this, Now after we are in the test app directory, I can start my React app by typing npm start. So it is a very common command with all the Node.js based tools and as well as JavaScript frameworks, etc. So we'll just have to say npm start and press enter. It will start our app, hopefully, if everything is fine. So our app is working, and now we can make our changes and start working on our app by clicking on this explorer. And let me just open my app directory. So we can start working on our new app by just modifying code in these files, which you guys will learn on more videos, which I'll be posting soon on my channel. So stay tuned with that, and don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel. All the links are given in the description.